Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I do a facial on one of my clients. So the first step for any facial that I do is start off with a pre-cleanse. This pre-cleanse is from Dermalogica and I like this because it does do a great job at breaking up oils and breaking up all the dirt on the skin. And all I'm doing here is just removing the pre-cleanse with wet sponges. Now I'm going to apply my ultra calming cleanser. What this is going to do is cleanse and help calm the skin. And now I'm just removing that with some cotton rounds. So this is a microfoliant from Dermalogica. It does a great job in removing any of the dead skin cells. It does come in a powder form, so all you have to do is just add a little bit of water. After applying, I'm just going to massage it into the skin. What I like to do with this exfoliant is use wet sponges to remove it. In here, I'm just applying a multivitamin power mask. I like to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and what this is going to do is hydrate and moisturize the skin. When removing a mask from my client's face, I like to use a hot towel. Using a hot towel not only removes the product from the skin, but it also penetrates the product deeper into the skin. Now I'm going to take some moisturizer called Reboost. This moisturizer is very light and is very hydrating. Now I'm going to be doing some high frequency. High frequency not only tightens the skin, but it also promotes oxygen to the skin. After my high frequency treatment is complete, I'm going to be applying some SPF on her skin. Now to end off my facial, I'm going to be using my massager. The facial massager that I'm using right now has two different settings. You could either use a hot setting or the cold setting. So what I'm doing on her skin is using a hot setting just to relax her muscles. Using my hands, I'm going to just massage her face once more. After feathering off, now I'm just going to massage her shoulders just to release some pressure and tension. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and hit that notification button to be notified when I post.